So, one banzai.
Is this your first time, Brother Kurt?
My first time.
Kuya, pabili po. Magkano po yan?
50 po.
Ilan mo? 50 sa?
50 po.
Isang 50 lang, kuya.
Original.
Ano po yung original, kuya?
Classic. May ube tayo.
Yung ano lang, kuya? Yung Merni ba lang?
Oo pa.
Sarado pa yung store.
Kaliban, tuyok na ni ngadto. Tuyok na di sa katong GL kanang ko ano kanang GL nga kanang.
Thank you. Hinintay na magbukas yung Shaka kasi
Simbahan sa sentro sa.
meron sila dong. Ano meron doon, man?
Si Andy Mahal, Sir First Ball, sa si Pilman. Kasama ng mga ano.
So, dito tayo kila Andy Eigenman store. Ano? Morning po. Oh, available na po kaya yung smoothie bowl?
Yeah.
Ano pa?
Banzai bowl.
Tsaka banzai bowl.
Available yung banzai bowl. So, one banzai and one sunset chaser bowl or glass. Bowl. 640. Isa mong ko.
Coffee, sige.
Latte?
Espresso sana sa akin.
Espresso? Or coffee strong? Strong yun. Okay lang.
Okay lang po.
Yun lang po.
Yun lang po.
So, 7.
Hindi pa babansa yan?
Sunset bowl. Banzai na po.
Okay, sige. Thank you. Ang galing yung pagkakagawa. Banzai.
Pwede na to po.
Ay, okay na po. Thank you, ate.
So, wouldn't understand who I was. Yeah, I was already busy na sa time. So, hanggang 5 to 5. Yeah, right now I'm most trips I live alone.
Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Cloud9 surfing spot. Kaya tapos na natin mag-breakfast sa Islanders. Pag-aari nila Andy Eigenman. Happy Islanders. Dito tayo ngayon sa boardwalk kung tawagin. Ayan. May mimit tayong kaibigan, si Kurt. Isang foreigner na kaibigan natin dito. Gusto niya rin daw mag-surfing, pero gusto niya may kasama. Sa front entrance daw siya. Siya palayan ko lang. Alright, we'll be there. Brother Kurt! Brother Kurt! Hey there, Brother Kurt. Good morning. We came here early, so we walked side the beach.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Good deal. That instructor's right here. His name is Kippy.
Kippy. So we're waiting for him.
Yeah, he's here.
Ah, he's here already.
Yeah, he's right. You need to pay first. Entrance. Ayun yung dalawa, sir.
Yeah. We're just waiting for him here.
Put it here, the locker. Got a locker for all our stuff.
Boss MJ.
Okay. So, magdi-demo muna tayo. No? Kaya hindi sa mo. Yung public. Ito na public.
What time are you here?
Oh, I got here like maybe just 10 minutes early. But I got up pretty early. I got up at 5:30, 5 o'clock. Just sat around the house, had coffee, and
They're inviting us.
then they didn't announce my name.
Yun yung surf lesson natin.
Ah.
600 per hour. Pero kailangan minimum natin 2 hours kasi mag-demo pa tayo dun sa...
I felt left out. Since you wanted to
Yeah, that's 1,200 each.
Oh, I wonder if we should have just got separate instructors.
No, that's with instructor already that one.
You want to go for 2 hours?
For me,
Yeah.
1 hour is
see.
enough.
I think
think-
1 hour is enough.
Kaya 1 hour is enough.
Please.
So,
Yeah, I'll put that. You're not too used. These people are here.
is this your first time, Brother Kurt?
My first time.
Really?
Yeah, one for you guys. I wouldn't have come. You pushed me.
Di ba naka-surf na kayo dati?
Ah.
So, alam niyo na.
Mga 2 years ago.
Kailangan pa rin
2 years
kailangan-
ago, that's
Okay, refresh lang man.
Ah.
So, sino ba yung, both kayo right-handed? Right-handed.
Right. Right.
So, ganito lang yung right, no? Yung right foot sa gilid, di sa kabila. Tapos yung left foot sa harap, okay? Sige nga, i-try mo muna yung ano, yung dati mo.
Kaya mga mahal.
Tingnan ko muna. Kaalak na yun.
Yung pag-pop up,
Oo, yung pag-pop up. Oo, tayo.
Sige.
natanda.
Sige.
Sige, langoy. Langoy muna.
Una,
Iuna mo muna yung right.
una right. Lagi na una yung left.
Pag
Pero
tingnan mo ako.
right-handed ako.
Tingnan mo muna, okay? Yung toes, i-up mo. Yan, ganito. So, yung kamay din sa chest. So,
Kamay
sinabi
sa
ko
chest.
tayo, push mo yung body. Step right. Tapos yung left sa harap. Yan. Tapos both naka-sideways, ma'am. Yan. Tapos squat, squat. More lower, ya. Ganyan. Tapos look straight lang, ha? Ulit, ulit.
Ulit.
Stand up.
Stand up.
No, right. Huwag kalimutan. Palaging right yung una, okay?
Okay.
Stand up.
Right. Left.
I-step mo na mabilis yung lift. Huwag mong dahan-dahanin. Okay? Tapos ma'am, pag mag-step ka, kailangan naka-sideways na, ganun. Okay? Okay, ulit.
Can do it.
All one motion. Quicker the better, right?
Yeah. Stand up. Right? No, right.
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 Right. Tapos left.
There you go.
Right, right. That's
You got it.
Okay ra.
ganun din, sir. Stand up. Right.
Nasa dulo pa mo, laglag ka.
Sideways, ganito. Hindi yung straight. So, kailangan naka-sideways lahat.
Alright. One more line.
Stand up. Right. Yan. Tapos, yan. Yung harap, naka-sideways na din. So, yan. Para makaganda yung balance. Squat na sila. Squat. Okay. Sige. Ulit, ulit.
Hot.
Tapos, sir, pag mag-push ka, wag kang humawak sa rim. Kailangan ganda. Okay. Okay. Stand up. Right. And left. Yan. Look straight lang palagi, ha? Okay.
What about you, Court? Yeah, I'm ready.
Same. Right-handed.
Yeah, right-handed.
Yeah.
Ganun yung squat mo, nakaganon.
Court, you can do like, okay, follow me. Alright?
Kaya pala magkamukha kayo.
Dito yung kamay. Tapos tuhod mo muna ganun. Before you stiff the right. And the left foot. Yeah. But make sure here in the
You're
middle.
in the middle.
Down further. Yeah. Also, not stay here to the side. Okay, just on the right side.
Ikaw dun.
Again.
Sa ano ka, dulo ka.
Right. Yeah, ganyan. Good. And then squat, okay? Yeah.
Okay na, lalangwin na tayo. Kailangan na nating iwan tong camera dahil magsisimula na tayong mag-surfing. That's it, pansit. We're done. Ito si Kuya MJ. Ito yung mga ayan, si Kuya MJ.
Kapatid.
Ayan, ating mga magagaling na instructors. Si Boss Jacob. Si Boss Kyle. Si Kuya
John.
Kuya Jun.
Number 1.
Ayan, number 1.
Number one.
So we really have a good time surfing together with Brother Kurt. So grateful to be with him. It is his first time doing the surfing stuff.
Yes. Fall off the board every time.